Hello, hello. Today we're going to learn this beautiful piece of music called Elise by the composer Ludwig van Beethoven. Now, why is it a lovely piece for beginners? It's because it has a lot of room for expression right from the get-go, and it's quite straightforward, fairly straightforward. You know the piece of music, there's going to be a link to the whole video, to the performance of the piece. Let's get started on this piece. So today, what I wanted to show you, so we're going to start really from analyzing the structure first. So here we go. This part, I'd say, is like sort of like the A section, we can say. And then this part, which kind of starts over here, actually. But basically up to here, I'd say maybe. It's the B section, and then back to the A section for the rest. Okay, and let's learn how to play it. So actually, when you're playing it with your hands, preferably not with your feet, so, do you want to come a little bit closer here? Come on, come on. Let's get nice and snuggly. So, we start with finger 4 and 5 on E and written as D sharp. 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, do, 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 do. 2, 4, 3, 1, na, 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 2, 4, 3, 1. Okay. So I'd recommend, let's practice that a couple of times until you've got the hang of it. And left hand, we're not going to do the left hand just yet. Right hand goes down to C. C, E, A, B, E, G sharp, B, C. Yeah. There we go. Now, left hand. First of all, we just have 2 chords in the left hand. It goes A, E, A, A, E, A, E, G sharp, E, G sharp. Fingers 2 goes over, right? We go finger 5 and 1. So hopefully you need to be able to stretch an octave at least to be able to play this. And then second finger goes over for the G sharp. I have another version with an easier arrangement for the left hand, but it doesn't sound as nice. I think if you're learning pure Elise, you at least need to be able to do an octave, hopefully. So just 2 chords, which makes it quite easy. So it goes like this. And again, it starts from the top. Hopefully you got all of that. Next, we go on to the next part, which we start on B in the right hand. I'd recommend starting on the second finger. So it's the same pattern 3 times from there, but every time descending 1 note. G, F, down, down, F, E, down, down, E, D, down, down. Pretty straightforward. Now, what does the left hand do in this time? Oh, we're moving up to C. Of course. That makes sense because the piece of music starts in E, in A minor. A, E, A. Now in this B section, of course, we are modulating to the relative major of A minor, to C major. Okay, so let's go over those one more time. We have C, C, G, C. Then we have G, G. I don't know why Beethoven's decided to incorporate these octave and a third type chords, bit uncomfortable, but hey ho, practice that, because those are really the two left-hand patterns that we see in this piece of music. Pretty much, yeah. It's 1 C G C G G B A E G sharp. Going between the two, right? I mean, should I note that? I can notate that down somewhere. We go here. Can I zoom in on this thing? Yeah, I can. Cool. Oh, and you can't see. Let's show what I'm doing here. So we go C. Let's use a red pen. C. And write the right thing. C G C G G B A E E E. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So, okay, and then we'll just have to learn this last little passage, which brings us back into the beginning. So first we go E, and it's actually written as put your second finger over for that next E. So we go stretch octave, finger 2 goes to the next, 1 2 3, or finger 5 1 2. Now we repeat this note, but we take the right hand. E E. Left hand jumps in, takes over. E E E E. My students always seem to find that very challenging. E E E. Swap. Swap. So, can you see what we're doing? E E E. Right hand. E E. Left hand. E E E. Yeah, and then after that, this is also actually a bit challenging because we have to count how many times you do this. It says finger 3 3 2. Oh yeah, 2 3. Okay, so because I usually just do those fingers. Never mind. 3 2 2 3 3 2. Okay, so how many times do we have to do those notes, right? Because it goes. Do you recognize that part in the music? If you really put the right expression on there, I think in the video that I uploaded, I quite liked how I played it. Can sound really nice. You want to kind of slow down a little bit here. I could do a better job of that. Let me try one more time. Let's do a really nice one here. Something like that, right? So you can put a lot of education into there and make it really sound very nice. The way that I think of it is that we're doing this 3 times. First with the left hand, then the right hand, then the left hand. And then from there we have, thank you, watch. Do. And then we go da 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 da. So in total, you can also think of, we have D sharp 5 times, 6 times. 1, right, left hand first. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can either count it like that, 1 2 3 4 5 6, or just find a system that works for your way of thinking. I think especially of putting it, really. For me, I like to just go left, right, left, bam, ba da 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 da. So like them left, right, left, and then there's just one more, and then it's as like from the beginning. If that makes sense. And in today's tutorial, we're going to stop there. We're not going to go on to the second page. What I would also note is that the first 8 bars, we have a first time bar, which means you have to repeat that first 8 bars. There we go. We repeat those first 8 bars. But the second time, we go straight into that part. So the first, I'll play from the beginning. It goes like this. Should I play nicely? I'll play nicely. One, two, three. And now what's happening on the second part of the music? Oh yeah, we just have a one first time bar kind of repetition. And I think finally what I'd also like to show you is just how I was practicing this in preparation for this video. Actually, I'll be honest. Something fun you can do. I think that's always a good starting spot, is to play without the pedal. Is to play without the pedal. And do different rhythms as well. That's a bit hard, that second part, the B section. But as always, the most important thing I can recommend is just repeat it slowly. Try and piece off little sections that are going to be easy to repeat. Well, not easy to repeat, the challenging parts that need to be repeated. So maybe just go from here. And the most important advice, and I always tell my students this, is you're not going to get anywhere if you're just repeating from the beginning. You have to repeat from that midsection, I'd say. Go, like, practice from here. I think that's about all of it for the first page of the Für Elise, which is a lovely, lovely piece of music. I highly recommend that you try that one. It's a very good one. All the best. Good luck. Bye.